merong parang form doon na, okay, this is going to be your primary residence,
Yes.
right? So, I think couple of them or whatever. Nag-check ba talaga sila? I mean, when you say primary residence, so you need to live there for 1 full year.
Correct. Correct. 1 full year.
FHA or conventional?
FHA conventional. Yeah.
Okay.
It's a primary.
What if they don't live there? What's going to happen?
Well, it's
It's going to be a problem.
going to be a problem on the lending side. We're gonna have a buyback or something, like a buyback, meaning pwede namin
Ma-charge off.
ma-charge off reversion.
Okay, I mean, how would they know? Do
Well,
they actually check?
Again, this is randomly lagi.
Random din.
Random din to.
So, pupunta sila dun sa bahay at i-check
And
talaga.
nila,
Wow.
Mhm, yeah,
Hindi, tsaka they have to be careful kasi mortgage fraud yun
Correct,
eh.
correct.
Remember, they signed something na, it's gonna be
Yes.
my primary residence.
Correct.
Maybe they're just trying to circumvent kasi nga, remember, ang interest rate ng primary residence is lower than an
And the
investor.
down payment as well is lower when it comes to primary
Correct.
versus to
Mhm.
investment property.
Yes, oo nga,
Yeah.
you're right.
Yeah.